Okay, hi people. Okay, so today I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys. Haven't done a tutorial in a long time, so today I'm gonna do a tutorial on Photoshop. And just today, I also just recently posted this shot of the Iron Man thing. So what I thought I would do today was teach you guys how to put images that have black background into your image and make it look like this, like this. And yeah, coming up what, okay. I need an intro. I need to start creating an intro soon. Alright, so yeah, let's go. Okay, so let's just say for example, right, if you're just starting out Photoshop, learning Photoshop, and you encounter this problem of like, okay, I want to put this image in, but there's this huge black background behind the image which I want, and I don't want that black background. So usually what people do is they just mask it off or whatever, and like it just takes a hassle and it takes quite a while. But not to worry, you can do it instantly. You can get rid of the black background instantly, and I'll show you guys how. So basically, let's just say this is the image I want to put in the black background. Okay, so you see I drag this image into this other image, then it'll come out like this, right? It'll come out okay, with the black background. So but you for sure don't want the black background because you don't want to make it real. You just want the model of this Iron Man, for example, to just stand out. So how do you get rid of the black background? So what you do is you just go below, see the bottom above the layer, see normal. So you go click that part and click screen, then boom, the whole black background is gone. So you can do that for all the other, any other type of images that has a black background. So this is just the tutorial for today. This is just a quick tip. So if you see a image with a black background and you just want to put that image in and just get rid of the black background, you just have to go click screen, and that's all in Photoshop. So that's it. That's the tutorial for today. It's a very useful trick which I've been using for quite a while for quite a number of my edits. So if you want to enhance the further tip, okay, if you want to enhance the image, enhance the image, just just saturate it. Add in a saturation. Just saturate it. Make it a bit darker. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so but that's the tip. You can do it for I've done this for quite a number of images, and yeah, so that's the tutorial for today. Thank you guys for watching. So it's a quick tutorial, just changing a black background into just the image. It's just with one click. I'm not even joking. So that's that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching today's tutorial, and I'll see you guys further in the next tutorial. And yeah, stay creative, keep on learning, and yeah, please like, subscribe. Okay, that's it. That's all I have to say. Okay, go create more stuff with this tip. And yeah, okay, bye. Bye.